Hello Quora users, today I guide you through the simple process of adding your location on Quora, allowing others to know more about where you're from or currently located. Let's get started. Begin by logging into your Quora account using your username and password. Once logged in, you'll be ready to update your profile with your location information. Navigate your profile by clicking on your profile picture or the profile icon at the top right corner of the page. From the drop-down menu, select Settings. In the Settings menu, look for the section labeled Profile. Here, you'll find options to edit your profile information, including your location. Scroll down to the Locations section and click on the Add Location button. This will open up a form where you can enter your location details. In the form, enter your location details such as your city, state or province, and country. You can be as specific or general as you'd like, depending on your preference. Once you've entered your location information, review it to ensure accuracy, then click Save Changes to update your profile with your new location. Quora may ask you to verify your location by providing additional information or confirming your address. Follow any instructions provided to complete the verification process, if demanded. And that's it. You've successfully added your location on Quora. Your profile will now showcase your location information, helping others better connect with you and understand your background. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.